Okay, so here's the dog, and here's the food. One of them is plain dry food, and the other's food with food on top. Which does the little dog prefer? Come here. And there's the cat. He's going back and forth. No definitive choice has been made yet. Oh, there he goes. He's going for food with food on top. I think that is the preferred option. Let's see which bowl he finishes first. I think we have a winner here. Oh, he's gone over to the other bowl. Oh, back to the first. I think that's about it. There you have it. Food with food on top is preferred over plain dry food.